Welcome to 16/9 to 11 Barnsbury Road in South Yarra. This is a one-bedroom apartment with a car space, and it also comes with a fridge, microwave, and everything else you can see. So it is an older style property, but however, it is located close to everything, the Hawksburn railway and the train stations across the road. It is priced accordingly, and it is quite spacious. It also has one of the best features you can expect or can get in an apartment is a pool. So got floorboards throughout, so you can see it's quite spacious, nice and light and bright. It's got your built-in robes there. It's got your mirror. The old tenant was lucky to leave us some smart lights, so they can be controlled wirelessly by that button over there. Little hallway here as you walk through the front door. Here's a little storage, linen cupboard, intercom, and the bathroom with the shower over bath. Now here is probably the best feature, is the pool. It's actually a nice warm day today, no one's out here. Never seen anyone in here so far, but how cool is this? It's perfect for a nice warm day. Chill out here, plenty of chairs there. There's also a barbecue area here, so this will be ideal for the summer coming up.